Any engineer at TripAdvisor has the ability to make an enormous impact. On any given day, you can do something on the site that can impact like millions of people. The first project I had at TripAdvisor, I sent the link out to my friend and I was like, look, this is like on the website, like you can actually see this right now.
TripAdvisor, even though it has a huge amount of traffic, it's still a pretty small engineering organization. You can really come into TripAdvisor and if you have the right drive, make a difference.
From just the pure craft of engineering, I think there's a lot of opportunities here. And I think the end result of what you create is something that's going to touch millions of people's lives. It's probably going to touch your life, your family's lives.
We implement things at massive scale. We have to build it so that it can survive 1 million people using it every day. Sometimes, thousands of people using it every second.
Speed's really important here at TripAdvisor, and one way in which we enable our teams to move quickly is to make sure that they're small and they're autonomous.
It's really nice being part of a small team because you get to own a certain piece of the code base, which means that you basically become an expert in something. You just feel like, I built this, I made a difference, I made an impact to the company, and that's really exciting.
I have never encountered in 10 years of TripAdvisor someone that said, no, we can't do that. When you work with people like that, it's energizing.
I can be working in one language or one area of the code base one day and then a completely different one the next day, which is really nice because you never get bored. You never feel like, I've done this 1,000,000 times. I just am always like, well, never done that before, better learn how to do it.
We do have, I would say, inspiring team of engineers here. The possibility to learn is amazing.
I came in as entry level, right out of college. Within like 2 days of being here, I'd finished my first project. It wasn't like a bug fix, it was like an actual project.
The first major thing that I worked on here was a feature called Offline. Basically, you could take all of the TripAdvisor content for a given city, you could download the city and then take it with you. So first thing I did was took it with me on vacation and used it. Literally the next week I was off in Florence testing this new feature. You watch the numbers come in and people are using it. That's so rewarding that you want to do it again and again and again.
Engineering is central to TripAdvisor because we're fundamentally a product company. We're looking to help travelers plan and have the perfect trip wherever they are on whatever device they're using, wherever they're going. Now, how are they going to actually find the information they want to make the perfect trip? Well, an engineer has to bring it to them. It's about the product here, and engineers are building the product.